Good Monday, everyone, and Eclipse Monday it is. So, the day we've looked forward to for so long with great reservation because of the forecast is finally here. Looking at our weather map for today, we see lots of showers across our neck of the woods, but keep in mind that a great deal of this is this morning. So, most of these showers should be moving out by mid-morning to noonish. The strongest severe thunderstorms are down back around Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, southern Oklahoma. And that's where the path of totality is going to be. So the thought is that most of the bigger storms are going to hold off until after the eclipse. But how weird would it be to see severe thunderstorms during an eclipse and see how they behave? That would be interesting. Snowflakes are flying across the northern plains, especially up around Wyoming and such. So there's still some cold air up there, but that will stay at bay for us throughout the week. Looking at our 5-day forecast brought to you by Clearview Closet and Blind. Mainly morning showers today, 50% chance for those. And then I'm optimistic. I'm going to say we're going to have some breaks in the clouds this afternoon. So you may just have to be patient, but go out there and if you, especially if you've got the glasses, you may be able to see, even through some of the thinner clouds and be able to see part of that eclipse taking place. Highs in the mid to upper 60s, so it's going to be a mild day. Tomorrow, thank goodness the eclipse isn't tomorrow because that's 90% chance for rain and thunder. That carries on into Wednesday, which carries on into Thursday. Finally tapering off Friday morning, but notice the temperatures are mild, no threats of frost. And the winds are a little breezy from time to time each day, south 10 to 15 gusts to 20. Some days could have a little higher gusts than others, but you get my drift. A southerly breeze, some rain and thunder, and we'll see those rain totals accumulate as we go through the week. Probably getting by the end of the week, we'll probably have accumulated upwards of anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain. So depending on where you're at, so we'll take it this time of the year because things need the water to drink for the vegetation to grow. What we don't want is severe weather. And looking at our premier generators threat graphic, Wednesday and Thursday are the 2 days I'm keeping an eye on. Nothing's just screaming severe weather. But both days appear to carry at least a low-end threat for some severe weather. There are some parameters in place that have my attention a little bit, but again, nothing's just screaming severe weather. But if that changes, I'll certainly let you know. It is that time of year. On this day in 1926, the lightning set oil depot fire near San Luis Obispo, California, boiled over and engulfed 900 acres. Many tornado vortices resulted from the intense heat of the fire. One tornado traveled 1,000 yards, and these are called fire tornadoes, picked up a house and carried it 150 feet, killing the 2 occupants inside. What a wild day that was in California with that event. 1998, closer to home, baseball-sized hails reported at Piney, that's in Van Buren County, crashing through car windows and damaging roofs. In 2007, Crossville's low temperature of 20 degrees ties the record low for the month. Likewise, Nashville's 23 degrees ties its record low for April. This is again during that super freeze we had back in April of 2007. What a devastating thing that was. So many things were so green and lush and just got wiped out. So you all have a wonderful Eclipse Monday. Get out there with your eclipse glasses. Don't have troubles like I am. And at least look for some breaks in the clouds, and we should be able to see something. I'm gonna be optimistic and say there's gonna be some breaks in the clouds. It's hardly ever constantly cloudy all day around here. So get out there, look for some breaks in the clouds. Keep looking up for more weather information. Meteorologistmark.com.